Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I have from hot off the press two Artful card kits. This is Merry and Bright, and this is Winter Wishes, and they make adorable cards like this. They're quick and easy and perfect for the holiday season, so come back and play with us. Alright, so for this first little card, I use the Winter Wishes kit, which is perfect for taking us from Christmas into the winter season. And on this one, I layered the little die cut punch out pieces. They're so cute. I used foam tape. We have this giant wheel of foam tape, which is very, very handy to use. It's a great value. And yeah, take a look down below the video and you'll see it in the product used. There is 150 feet or 50 yards in this roll, and it's a great bargain. I also embellished my card using these little crystals. They're little jewels. This one is Caribbean. Yes, it is. It's so cute. Put those on the little snowflake areas right here. They're super, super sparkly. So let's take a little flip through here and see what we're getting. So there's 68 die cuts here, and they're just ready to punch out, just like, you know, paper dolls. And then there's also, gotta flip this around, there's also 32 cutouts, a nice sheet with greetings. There's also blanks here for stamping. And then there's 5 pattern sheets of cardstock. And they're just really fun and cheerful for the winter season, really sweet. I have another one here that I've already started. So these, both of these cards were 5 by 6.5. This way I've got it facing 6.5 by 5. And I cut my plaid paper down just slightly smaller than the card. And then I used the border paper here, used a little bit of that right here, and then I matted that with some white cardstock and glued that to the center. And then I took that cute little die cut. I'm gonna find it on here. Here it is, with this cute little penguin right here, and I glued that down and then glued a length of ribbon, okay, across the center, and then one of these little cutouts right here, I went ahead and I just cut that a little bit smaller. It's originally in a square. Let's find it. This one right here. So I just cut the circle right there, foam taped that so it's got some dimension. Oops, there's a little piece I need. And then we've got another penguin that's a little bit larger. Put a little double layer of foam tape on that so that we've got one layer here. I want this one to stand up even higher, so that's got a double layer right there. And then I found that the collection of dotted ribbons, this goes great with everything we're going to work with. And just made a cute little bow. That's going to go right there. A little glue, cosmic shimmer glue right there. So cute. Just gonna hold that down. And then I've got another little die cut piece, one of these cute little snowflakes that will make a really cute center to the bow. How cute is that? And I just push that down, and I just have to wait for that glue to grab. It just takes a couple of seconds. So yeah, these are so cute. I should mention that on this card, I used the other half of this great paper. I just used the navy snowflaked on there. And then I just made a border here of the green dot and the little colorful snowflake. There we go, that's attached. So two really adorable little winter cards, really quick to make. So now let's take a look at the Merry and Bright kit. Just so cute. Turn all this over so it's facing the right side up. All right, so once again, we have got, this one's got 56 sheets of die cuts. We've got 5 sheets of patterned cardstock. Go. And we've got a sheet of cutouts that has 29 cutouts. Beautiful little greetings. All right, so for these, I thought we would actually build some cards. So here we've got our 6.5 by 5 inch card. And for this one, I just took this dot paper and I just glued it right about there Okay, so that's about, it's a little bit more than halfway across. And then I used the snowflake paper. And this is exactly how I do it. I just sort of laid it down right there. And then I used one of the die cut borders. There's the rest of it. And I just glued that right over the seam between the two and then trimmed off the excess, and we'll use this on another card. And then I've got this little cute little die cut, like little plaque image. I don't know what we call that. It's just a little frame. And then this is one of the cutouts here. And I cut this out and then I foam tape that right there. And that can go right here. It's so cute. These cards are so fast to put together, you guys. So if you're running a little late on creating your own Christmas cards, don't worry, we have got you. You can, there's a great deal on both the Christmas kit and the winter kit, so order them both and you will have handmade Christmas cards way before Christmas. All right, so we've got two more little cutouts. We're going to put those right there, just kind of going in different directions. We're just going to glue these down. And then there are some other little pieces that we can put on here and foam tape them and give them a little bit of a lift. Just like that. And then we've got these adorable little pieces that I put some foam tape on the back of. And we can just put like one right there. One right there. You could even put one right there. So easy. And then we've got some little dot ribbon that I just tied a little knot in a length and then just trimmed those little tails. And we could put that there. We could put that right here. Where should we put it? And make that knot just a little bit smaller. I think we're just going to put it right here below this cute little frame. Just like that. Super easy, you guys. I've got another super easy one for you too. Okay, on this one, we're 5 by 6.5 inch, and I've torn some paper. It is this chevron, green chevron. Tore that from the bottom of the page. We're going to glue that across the bottom here. Going to put some directly on the card. Oops, dropped my glue. Now somewhere in here are my scissors. Here we go. Just going to trim that down. That. And then I've got what was left over from the original border that I did on the other card, and then I've got this die cut border. And I thought, how cute to use them together, sort of like one tucking, kind of sneaking out from the other one. So what we're going to do with that is sort of put some glue across here. Now, I want to feature these two little sort of dips here in that piece. They just kind of are so cute, and we're just going to feature those and center those on the card. Now we just need to put some glue across the top here. And then we're going to do that. So you see, we can always use all the little bits and pieces. Making sure I'm kind of squared up at the top there. Whoops. I used a little too much glue because it's kind of slippery. There we go. Now we're going to turn that over. And we're going to trim that. Oops. Go flying everywhere. There we go. All right, so there we have this cute border going along the top edge. And now we've got some other cute pieces here, this adorable little bike and tree. These pieces are all, oops, these pieces are all die cut. This one is a cutout. So we've got our little bike. How cute is that? Our little tree. Place them like that. And then I thought, how cute to take these two and just sort of layer them and put them right here. Yeah, I like how that looks. So let's go ahead and put these on first, just so we know how much room we have to put our bikes and tree, bike individual bike and tree on. I'm gonna put that there. All right, so now we know how far we can come up on that bike. And the tree is no problem because it's gonna go right up here on the side of the card. Okay, I think I'm gonna put a little glue right there. Keep that tacked down. And then this, we can just have that be even a little lower than the tree. Look how cute that's coming together. And then we've got some more of that dot ribbon, and I wasn't sure which color I wanted to use. We've got that one. We've got this darker green. I think I like the darker green because it's just popping a little bit better. I'm gonna glue that right there. And then you guys, I wanted to show you, you can also take some little dazzle stickers. These are little silver jewel dazzle stickers. And this is a little jewel picker. If you've never seen one of these, they're so great. They're great to use with the little crystals as well, to pick these up. And it has a little tacky, sticky end. And then what we're going to do is you just place one there and you just do a little swirl and it lifts that right off. And we can place these little bows coming off. We can place these right around like this on the stars. How cute. So yeah, you can embellish these with ribbon and dazzles. And just adorable. I think I'm even going to put some on the bike. Oops, I missed one. Just to add a little sparkle. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you guys we have a great money saver. It's right over there on the right hand side of the screen. And then down below the video are all the products that we used, the ribbon and the glue and everything else. Or if you just want one of the kits instead of taking advantage of the great money saver, they're individually listed down below. And hey, if you're watching us on YouTube, look below the video in the description box and you will see a link that'll take you to this Paper Wishes webisode page where you can see everything, all the products and the money saver and all the great deals. Definitely check that out. And hey, while you're there, a thumbs up would be really appreciated. Helps people find our channel. And subscribe. We do 4 to 5 videos a week and we wouldn't want you to miss a thing. So thanks for joining me today for making these quick holiday cards, and we'll see you next time.